What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, please smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, it's the end of the year 2022. Want to go over a few of the programs that I am going to be still promoting going into 2023. I have another, I'm looking at another program possibly this month or next month, but we'll get into that later. Right now, what we've got going, ways to make money online, guys, okay? And you can make money right now today, okay, with these programs because they pay instantly and directly right to you, okay? This is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is you actually promoting other people's products, okay? That's what we do here on this channel. I also dibble and dabble into the crypto space now as well. Okay, so this channel is all about showing you ways to make money online with a Wi-Fi connection, simply with a smartphone, a computer, or laptop, okay, or even a tablet, okay, as long as you've got a Wi-Fi connection, all right? So we've got a few of those programs here that's already been proven. I've made money with the programs. Everything that I promote here, I actually use. I'm a product of the product, and I've shown proof payments of every one of them, okay? So these do work, guys, if you work the program. All right, the link is in the description for all of these. Go to www.getpaidfromhome.info, okay? So first one up, we're just going to go down the line. There's no particular order. This is just a way I have them put into my funnel. All right, and if you want this funnel, you've got to join the Conversion Pros. The link is in the description for that, and I'll give you my share code. Okay, so want to make $300 a day, the $300 a day blueprint. So if we go there, we've got Infinity Processing System, okay, aka IPS. I really like this program because it actually provides training step by step. It gives you the ads that you need to place. It shows you how to market on social media. It shows you how to market on Craigslist. Okay, and remember, social media is free. So this is free advertising. Once you learn this training, you can apply it to any business opportunity out there that you join. Okay, it doesn't matter what you join because this is universal training. Okay. So they have 3 levels of training packages here. The $50 level training package, the $150 training package, and the $300 training package, okay? If you go all in and spend $325, you get everything you see here, okay? If you don't purchase the product, you can't sell the product. That's how this one works. But it's step-by-step training, okay? Love it, love it, love it. For everybody that joins me at the pro level, I have a sales page that I'm just going to give away. All right, there's no monthly fees with this program. Okay, no monthly fees at all. It's a one-time investment. So it's $25 for your website, okay, which is going to look like this. Okay, they're going to have your picture here. They're going to code it to you with your social media link there. Every time someone goes here and purchases a product, you get paid instantly, and you decide how you want to get paid. Credit card, Stripe, Cash App, Venmo. It's up to you how you want to receive your payments. All up to you. Okay, this is direct sales, member to member. Okay, so you get this page, guys. Now let me show you real quick the page that I'm going to give away to everybody that comes in at the pro level. Let me show you that page. Okay, this is the page I'm giving away to all my pro members. This gentleman right here is going to explain the program. He does a great job at that. And then this page, as you can see right here, it'll have your picture, your name, and look in the background. You see my picture on one of these images. But at any rate, you'll get this page. This page right here has proof payments. It shows success stories, and there's a video of proof payments here. So this is what your prospects are going to see. People love to see proof payments. So this is going to be a great closing sales page, okay? So all the pro members will get this when you join me starting now, okay? So go check this out, www.getpaidfromhome.info. All right, now let's get to the next program. Okay, so if you want to make $50 commissions, $150 commissions, and $300 commissions, click 300 a day blueprint. Okay, next one up, another one of my favorite Digital Wealth Pros. You can make $200, $400, $800, and $1,500 commissions. With this one, I've done many videos on these, so I'm not going to go into detail because I want to keep this short. I just want to give you guys a rundown. All right, this one has a call center. That's one of the main things with this one. It's an all-in-one system, but it has a call center that's going to close the sales for you. So when anybody calls from your website, when they go here and see the website, they see your ID, they're going to call the call center, and they're going to answer all their questions, close the sale, and direct those folks to pay you directly. Okay, so great program. $200, $400, $800, and $1,500 commissions, instant pay. Another great one. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, $247 a sale. This is MAP. All right, this program is only $280 in total to get started. $247 goes to your sponsor. $33 goes to the company. It pays $247 over and over and over and over. Another all-in-one system comes complete with a marketing system. Everything you need to get started here. Perfect for a newbie. Again, no monthly fees with this one as well. Unlimited member to member, $247 commissions, instant pay. This only has one level, okay? This page has a lot of payment proofs on it, which I love. People love to see that. They have that here as well. Another digital marketing product, okay? That's what this includes as well. All these are digital marketing products, guys. Teach you how to make money online. You actually that's what you're purchasing, okay? You get the whole system. All right, so MAP is another great one. So check it out. Right under $300, you get this whole system. All right, I'll pay for your first paid advertising for this one, okay, as well as DWP, okay, traffic, that is, okay. So let's go to the next one. Okay, this is another all-time favorite. TextBot. It still pays out, guys. Just because you don't see people talking about a program doesn't mean it doesn't work. As long as the website is up and running, people can still sign up, okay? So this one is still up and running. $100 commissions over and over and over, okay? Sharing a phone number. With this one, you get your own personalized phone number. And they have an AI AI bot, if you will. Ava, she's going to close all the sales by speaking to your prospects and sending text messages, okay? So go check this one out as well. All right, great program. 100 over and over and over and over and over. It's $150 to get this one. All right, this program right here, I don't think it gets enough shine. This program right here spits out $700 commissions over and over and over. Go check this one out. Unlock Elevation. Marcus Taylor, he does a great job of going into personal development, and he's allowing you to resell his trainings, okay? This is good stuff, okay? Everybody needs personal development, whether it's personal, in your personal life or business life. So this is a great system, and then he allows you to resell it, and you make $700 commissions instant over and over and over. Another member-to-member program. Get paid any way you want. Okay, so check this one out as well. Unlock Elevation. All right. All right, next up is our big ticket, which we have big ticket in DWP too now. We got $1,500 commissions, but $1,000 and $2,000 commissions. Okay, actually you can get in as low as $100 up to $2,000. Okay, but if you're looking for the big ticket $2,000 commissions Exodus Elite. It's been around, I think, 8 years now. Okay, another digital marketing training program. Okay, it gives you training. They have their own marketing system as well. Everything is under one roof. Okay, and you can make instant commissions with this one as well. $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000 commissions. Okay, 8 years in the game. Okay, awesome website that they put together, 5 product packages. Okay, the Genesis library. So go check this one out as well. Okay, the crypto is a whole nother thing. We'll go into that on another video. So let's go to the last one. Make unlimited $25 payments. All right, I've been with this program right here for 3 years, the Conversion Pros. They have an all-in-one done for you sales funnels that's already done for you that you can share. Okay, and they pay you $25 commissions. Okay, they pay out every Friday. They've been around, I think 7 years now. So every Friday, if you refer someone, okay, and they pay the $50 a month, you can get in, number one, for free for 2 weeks. There's no credit card required. But once you decide you want to upgrade so that you can share this opportunity and someone actually signs up and they pay $50 a month, you make $25. The company splits the commissions with you. They make $25 and you make $25. Okay? So they have the funnels already done. They give us at least 10 different sales funnels as affiliates that we can share. Okay? They have the autoresponder already created. All that's done for you. The funnel is done for you. Okay? You get paid every week, guys. Every Friday. Okay? They have an app that goes with this as well that you can download to your Droid or your iPhone. Okay? It doesn't matter which phone you have. That way you can track your leads. You can see who's coming in. You can see what page they're looking at. Okay, they also have you have access to leads here too. Once you become a member, you can go in here and you can purchase leads for any business opportunity. They have biz op leads. Okay, so this is a full turnkey system. But if you're looking for a way to earn commissions, you don't have to create the funnels, the capture pages. You don't have to create the autoresponder or any of that. It's already done for you. $50 a month. You make $25. Every time you refer somebody. And then mind you, this is residual too. You're going to get paid when they sign up the next week. But when they pay their $50 next month, you're going to make residual. Okay? You're going to make $25 over and over and over until they cancel that $50 membership. Okay? So this is a great way to earn residual income as well as get paid every Friday. All right, guys? Real quick, FYI, I have this page right here for the Conversion Pros. If you're interested in getting this particular page, I'll share my share code with you once you become a paid member. Okay, this is not a page you're going to find in the back office that they created. So if you want this page, okay, just reach out to me once you get signed up and pay your $50 and I'll share it with you. See, it has the capture page. Then over here, this is the sales page, okay? And this system pays out unlimited $25 commissions, okay? So if you guys are looking for a way to make money online, we've got several opportunities here. Go check it out. The link is in the description, www.getpaidfromhome.info, okay? If you have any questions about any of these programs, give me a call. Except for this one right here, DWP, call the call center. It's their job to answer all your questions and close the sale. All right, guys, so thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, till next time, be safe out there. See you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day.